The AM15 air-assisted mister, where does it fit in the marketplace? As you know, there are many misting machines out in the marketplace, electrostatic machines of that nature. Their configuration is of a gun-looking system, more along the lines of a 2-gallon, 4-gallon configuration. The advantage of this machine is it has 15 gallons, used for wide area disinfection. You can start from the ceiling in your spray, because this is 15 micron compared to the other ones on the market that are 35 micron, 55 micron. Everything has to be under 60 micron. This one is 15. So with that fine mist, I could basically spray up and have it filtered down to the surface, where it will basically sit on the surface and wrap around the surface. Unlike the electrostatic that charges positive, negative, and wraps around a surface, this one will do the same thing without having to have that electrostatic feature. The 15-gallon tank enables you to run this machine for 3.5 hours of continuous disinfection. We see this as a major advantage, is positioning this in the center, investing in a 100-foot coiled hose, and you're able to go in 4 points, 4 different directions from your source and do a considerable amount of disinfection in a highly productive manner. What we're going to do here on the glass is we're going to take half the glass, and I'm going to show you the 15 micron, which is a drier type of approach, where, for example, like in movie theaters, where they're going to go in and they want to do a quick change out between movies, they'll probably want to do that. If you want a little bit of more moisture and contact surface, you can make it a little wetter. Really important that you have the local support and expertise from our guys in the field. All of our territory managers have chemical lines, and they all have a vast amount of experience with disinfectants. So they're going to be able to help you make sure you're putting in the right chemical for the job. With the AM15, it's very, very important during the usage of this machine that you wear the proper protective equipment, the PPEs, which would be safety glasses and, of course, your mask.